Do you want to be able to type like this? Well, I'm going to show you the best ways you can increase your typing speed with a computer. This is how I learned to type fast. We use a website to teach us the correct ways to type, and then we can use a website called MonkeyType to then further increase our speed and accuracy over various weeks and months. Let's first start with positioning. You want to have both your index fingers resting on the same starting keys so you know where they are on the keyboard without looking at them. So your left hand's index finger should be on the F key and your right should be on the J key. All other fingers will then go to their respective keys, with the G and the H key not having a finger starting on them. That's where you'll have to move your index fingers to the G and the H key respectively. To continue our practice, we're going to use a website called typingclub.com, which will give us different drills and combinations for us to train our fingers to build that mind muscle memory to our fingers. It's very important during this stage to take your time and not look at your hands at all. This is the training stage. You need to ensure you are laying down the correct fundamentals, because as you move on, you will need to build speed this way by not looking at your fingers. Not having to look at the keyboard when typing is a very good skill to have. It allows you to free up your mind and focus on other tasks that you would normally have to use your keyboard to do. So say I'm writing an essay, for example, I can just think of what I need to write and my fingers just do the typing. It's really amazing. It frees up my time and I can multitask on my other monitor when I'm typing. It's really cool. Before we go into how to actually practice, just remember to practice all of these tips that I'm about to give you. If you have a bad typing habit currently, you'll be able to resolve it pretty fast within a few weeks of typing this new sort of way. And then on to 3+ months of consistent typing, you'll have a new lifelong skill that will allow you to converse with computers faster. And as we move into the digital age, being able to interact with a computer is just one of the most underrated skills that you can have. It will just increase your productivity in emails, Google searches, and any type of data entry that we do on a daily basis on our computers. And now if we hop over to typingclub.com here, this is where we can learn different lessons about various typing combinations. So the first lesson is going to teach you how to put your fingers in the correct positioning. So type the F key with your left index finger and the right key with the right index finger. And that is the first lesson complete. And now it's just wanting to do us some drills here. So F, 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 and J, J, J. J, F, 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 J, J. That's pretty easy. They also have these fun interactive games you can play. So again, we're using our standard variation here. F, J, J, F, J, J, K, D, J, K, D, F, K, J, D, K, F, J, K, D, J, F, K, J, D, F, K, D, J, F, K, D, F, D, K. And you don't want to look at the keyboard at all. When you're doing it, I'm not looking at the keyboard, and that is just how you learn. You'll pick up speed as you go. So go through all of these practice combinations here and learn like how to do the space bar, review F and J, D and K, the left hand home row, the right hand home row. And once you've done all of these, and then you can go over to a site like MonkeyType and further perfect your typing skills. So if we start here, this is going to be a 30-second timed test here, and we're just typing the keywords out. Public, main, govern, have, head, system, place, another, one, cool, when, place, such, become, not, they, also, must, from, back, govern, people, right, into, use, child, through, if, year, program, day, fact, late, here, without, after, feel, tell, help, down, use, who, cool, during, present, withhold, still, point, show. It's harder when I'm talking, but you get the idea. Just I'm looking at the screen, I'm looking at the word, and I'm trying to do the whole word in one fluid movement. Have enter to see what we've done, and if we want to do another one, tap enter. I'm going to do another one to see how fast I can go. It's okay if you make some mistakes. I'm going a little bit too fast. I should be slowing down a bit if I actually want to practice my typing, but I'm going for speed here. At least my accuracy is pretty high, 97%. If you're lower than 60%, I would slow down and just work on your accuracy more than anything else. Hope this video gave you some sort of guidance on how to increase your typing speed. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, leave a like, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.